Join 1,000 of the world's top innovators who gather to experience and create the future at Trend Hunter's epic Future Festival World Summit. This year we have 2 flavors: the 3-day event with Trend Safaris, future parties, experiential learning, and the same innovation workshops we've used to help NASA prototype the journey to Mars, or our 5-day Futurist U Masterclass, where you'll unlock even more of your potential, graduating as a futurist with a tactical game plan to conquer the road ahead. It's all happening in Toronto. Join us for this year's World Summit in the year that AI changes you.
We think about these advancements as kind of things that dangle on the precipice of science fiction. And the truth is, they're actually a lot closer than you think, regardless of if you believe what the crystal ball is telling you or not.
Gen Z will advocate for the causes they believe in, with or without the help of brands. How can you better stand with them and not against them?
Leisure is incredibly insightful. What people do in their spare time tells us nearly everything we need to know about them as consumers.
What's interesting is that we're going to have robots delivering our news, pouring our beers, and driving us home. And these might seem awkward, but they're not examples of the far future. They're examples of what's already happening today. And with advances in artificial intelligence, the pace of human change is about to become not so human at all.